G'day folks, today's episode's slightly different. I'm going to be fitting this B&B Off-Road Products bash plate. First we need to remove the old plastic bash plate, then remove the mounting bolts for the crash bars. Next is both foot pegs. Both have to come off to allow the new brackets to be mounted on the underside of the foot peg. Checking the bash plate, it's a very tight fit. A couple of millimeters is enough room to allow the centre stand to work perfectly and the side stand to come down. The last part of the process is to refit the foot pegs, probably the hardest part of the entire operation. Once fitted, this bash plate looks really nice. It'll offer a lot of protection to the underside of my bike. Very happy with this purchase.